Hello subscribers, myself Teskalal and I am back with the last video of Reconnaissance in which I am going to discuss about some important search engines which are preferred by penetration testers and hackers to gain some extraordinary information regarding their target. Till now, we have covered a lot of tools and techniques about reconnaissance. We are going to discuss about three search engines and one database. The first search engine is Shodan. Shodan is a search engine that scans IP addresses for connected devices like router, webcam, server. Shodan usually provide the information regarding the devices which are connected to each other, such as Internet of Things, webcams, and other networking devices. Shodan is older and have a lot of data. Census is one of the great tools till now. Primary purpose of Census is to scan IP, find open services, and gather the provided banners. The one thing which I personally like about Census is the suggestion while searching. The third search engine is Fofa. Fofa works like a Google where user can input keywords to match data containing that keywords. The Fofa has proven itself better than Shodan in most of scenarios by providing a very large number of data than Shodan. The Exploit DB is a database which is a public database and platform that provide information about security vulnerabilities and exploits. So a security person either make aware about what are the vulnerability of their existing system or most of time this database is used by the hackers. So let's stop our theory here and move towards the practical part. So Shodan is a tool where we can search a number of things. We can search by IP, like this is IP of Google. Yeah, here is the information regarding the Google. You can also search using the word like Cisco. Yeah, this is the details about the Cisco IP addresses, connection is alive or not. You can search for any other technology or just as Apache server. Yeah, here is the IP address which are working on Apache server. Or information regarding to the company. Shodan is the most trusted till now by the hackers. So the census is another tool which we have discussed in our theory. So the one thing I like most about census is their suggestion while searching. Look, mm, I want to search according to the country. Then India. Yes, we got the IP regarding to Amazon in Maharashtra, was IP running Ubuntu with open ports in Karnataka. Let's search anything regarding particular organization. Yes, there is a detail regarding this. The next tool which we are going, sorry, search engine which we have discussed was Fofa. So let's search about our target site. Moreover, these engines provide information regarding a target similar, but there might be possibility that any of these tools provide any different information which could be helpful for us. So we can search using the IP address. This was the IP address of a mm, of a target. Yes. The server which was using by this target is Squid. So we copy this for our reference. The only thing which we have left is an exploit DB. So this is a public database have the vulnerabilities and exploits posted along with the POC. POC means proof of concept. So suppose we are an hacker and we have got this IP address, and from our search we knew that the IP address using create a server. So we can search for a vulnerability of this server. So we enter squid. Yes. As you can see, we have got some vulnerabilities and exploits regarded to the server. As a penetration tester or ethical hacker, we can use these along with a POC. There is I think something interesting one. So this was the brief introduction regarding the reconnaissance tools and techniques. In next video, we will be moving towards the scanning part of ethical hacking and penetration testing. Thank you.